Copywriting is one of the most popular ways to make money online nowadays. But to be a great copywriter, you gotta be good at a lot of different things. So in this video, we're gonna talk about 3 things that make a great copywriter. Number 1 is the ability to explain complex concepts. As a copywriter, you're gonna be spending a lot of your time working with businesses that are trying to launch new products or services for sale. And a lot of the time, you're gonna find yourself in situations where a company has a new product or service that they're trying to sell, but they themselves are not the best at explaining. It could be because they're going after a pretty confusing use case. It could be due to a language barrier, or it could be due to their inexperience and maybe the fact that they bit off a little bit more than they could chew. But whatever the case, it's the copywriter's job to figure out and understand what they're after and what their goals are. And on top of understanding the company's use case, their product, and their goals, the copywriter needs to be able to communicate that clearly with the people that company is targeting with the copy. And I'll be totally honest with you, the ability to explain complex concepts can be challenging, especially for new copywriters. But I think there are definitely a couple things copywriters can do to make this whole process of being able to explain complex concepts a whole lot easier. The first thing a copywriter can do is to focus on industries and niches that they're already familiar with. That way, if you get a project for a bit of a confusing product, at least you're on the front foot and have an idea and know the lingo and what matters in that industry already. It'll make it a whole lot easier to understand and write convincing copy about whatever it is they're trying to sell. And the second thing new copywriters can do that will help them explain complex concepts a whole lot easier is to ask a lot of questions in discovery. A big part of being able to explain a complex concept is you first have to be able to understand that concept really, really well. And there's no better way to understand something than to ask a lot of questions to the people who've created this thing, right? Asking the right questions and building an understanding through discovery is gonna help you a lot. The second thing that makes a great copywriter is experience. I know that a lot of you newer copywriters are probably cringing at the idea that experience is probably one of the biggest factors that separates new copywriters charging really low rates from the great copywriters who are pretty much charging whatever they want. But it's the way that it is. Experience is a huge factor in what makes a copywriter really great. Now, that's not to say that as a newer copywriter, you can't still make a ton of money. That's not the case at all. You definitely can. But it is super important to have the right expectations and to understand that the bigger clients with the most complex, large projects, what they look for when they're looking and comparing between copywriters, and a big part of what they look for before signing someone on is definitely experience. Simply put, these big companies value experience really, really highly because it's like their safety net, it's their insurance policy. Hiring an experienced copywriter helps these large companies mitigate their risk by avoiding the situation where they might bring someone on that is totally inexperienced or is going to botch their project. So what does this mean for newer copywriters who don't have that experience yet? Well, the number one thing you can do is to be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your $10,000 per month copywriting business. You got to realize that it's going to take you the time to build that experience, but in that time, make sure you're doing the right things to help you do that, to help you get that experience and learn the skills you need to become great. The easiest way that you can go about this is by having a learner's mindset and by practicing your writing really often. The third thing that makes a great copywriter is that they take responsibility for their situation. I'd be willing to bet that it's very rare that you would come across a copywriter that you would classify as truly great who doesn't take full responsibility for their situation. What do I mean by this? Well, like all businesses, copywriting has its ups and its downs. You'll have great clients, but you'll also have terrible clients. You'll have months where you make a ton of money, and you'll have months where you make almost no money. This is all inevitable. And to be a great copywriter, when you fall into these situations, you gotta realize that it's nobody's problem but your own. If you wanna succeed over the long haul and be great, you gotta realize that it's nobody's responsibility to overcome these hurdles other than you. And that ability to take responsibility and overcome these inevitable business challenges of being a copywriter is a trait that all great copywriters have. Having a slow month? Go out, write some copy, and try to win yourself some new clients. Experiencing a crappy project with a crappy client? Strategize and figure out how you can turn that situation around. Taking responsibility and ownership and strategizing on how to succeed is a big factor in whether or not a copywriter will last or not. So what do you think? I know that a lot of the things I mentioned in this video aren't those tangible, literal things that great copywriters do, but more the soft skills that are essential for being great. But soft skills are important, and if you're trying to go down the path of becoming a copywriter and you want to be great, I feel like you really need to hear this and to drill these things into your mind so you can have the right expectations, behave in a way that'll maximize your chances of success and being truly great. So was this a helpful video? Give it a like for me. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, cheers.